Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, your one and only Ahmad Furqan Ibnu Seno. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So today, our main topic is the isomers of pentene. I consider you've watched my earlier video about the isomers of heptane. That way, I'll just directly explain the difference between these two compounds. Back again, I've explained about heptane. Heptane is a part of alkanes, which is a part of hydrocarbon compounds. So pentene is another family of hydrocarbon. It is called as alkenes. Maybe you're questioning the reason why these two compounds are different. This is why. There are three reasons why these two compounds is different. First, they have different basic formula. Alkanes, as I have explained, have basic formula CnH2n plus 2, while alkenes have basic formula of CnH2n. You can see it for yourself within the formula of pentene, C5H10. Now, the second reason. Alkenes have at least one double bond between its carbon atoms. It's different to alkanes, which only has single bond between its carbon atoms. And the last reason is, alkenes have two types of isomers. I'll explain this to you later. Alright, now let's start to discover one by one the isomers of pentene. So, the first isomers is 1-pentene. The number represents where the double bond placed. The number 1 means the double bond placed after the first carbon atoms. And the second isomer is cis-2-pentene. The next is trans-2-pentene. The fourth is 2-methyl-1-butene. 3-methyl-1-butene, and the next is 2-methyl-2-butene. From this part, things gonna be different. As I said earlier, alkenes have two different types of isomers. I've mentioned the first type before. That type before usually known as alkenes. The other type it's usually known as cycloalkenes. Cycloalkenes is different due to its close-ended bond. To make it easier to understand, I'll give you an example. Here is cyclopentene. It's similar to a pentagon, right? So, as you can see in the picture, the carbon atoms connected to each other, making a close-ended bond reform a shape of a pentagon. The name cyclo is given due to its special bond, whether the name pentane given due to its basic shape. Yes, a pentagon. Combine it together and you got a cyclopentane on your hand. Alright, let's move to the other isomers. Cycloalkenes. The next isomers is cyclopentane, methyl cyclobutane, and the next is cyclopropanes, which is divided into first, acyl cyclopropane, second, 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane, third, 1R trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. The fourth, 1S trans 1,2-dimethyl chloropropane. And the last is cis 1,2-dimethyl propane. And that's all the isomers of pentene. Thank you for watching. I hope it has benefits for you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.